In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check if your X.com or Twitter account has been shadow banned, using a simple free online tool. This is really useful if your posts suddenly stop getting views, replies, or engagement, because it can help you figure out whether your account is being limited or hidden from search and recommendations. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the OpenTweet shadow ban checker. This tool is designed to help you quickly check the visibility status of an X or Twitter account without needing to dig through settings or guess what's going on. Once the page loads, you'll usually see a search bar right on the screen. This is where the process begins. Now type your @username into the search bar exactly as it appears on your X account. Make sure you enter the correct handle, because even a small typo can give you the wrong result or show no data at all. After typing your username, press Enter or click the search button if one appears. The tool will then start checking your account status. Give it a moment to load, because it may need a few seconds to scan and return the results. Once the check is complete, review the information carefully. You'll usually see whether your account is visible normally or whether there are signs of shadow banning, search suppression, or other restrictions. Pay close attention to every result shown on the page, since different tools may label issues in slightly different ways. If the results show that your account is clear, that's a good sign that your posts are not currently being hidden by the platform. If the tool suggests a restriction, then you may want to look at your recent activity, posting behavior, or account settings to see what might have triggered it. In many cases, things like spam-like behavior, repeated posting, or suspicious activity can affect visibility. You can also run the check again later if you want to confirm whether the situation changes over time. That's especially helpful if you've recently stopped certain actions or made adjustments to your account and want to see if things improve. And that's it. That's how to check if your X.com or Twitter account has been shadow banned using the OpenTweet shadow ban checker. Quick, simple, and helpful if you want to understand why engagement may have dropped. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.